Hi, welcome back to Joe's Galley. Hope you're all good, having a good time. Today we've got a super easy dish to cook. It's fantastic, it's easy, the ingredients are simple, but you're gonna love it. Before I get started, I'd like to thank cousin Bartolina in Sicily for informing me that the biscuit we cooked last time was called spignatella. Not just brown Christmas biscuit, spignatella. Thank you very much, Bartolina. I love you. Thank you very much. Today's dish is a really easy one. Everybody cooks carbonara, but there are slight variations in this dish. Yeah, there's not a lot of ingredients, but slight variations. Some people add cream. Don't add cream. Look at these simple ingredients: eggs, salt, pepper, cheese. I'm using half pecorino and half parmigiano. And our hero is the Guanciale, which is the pig cheek. I sourced this from Jason at Boston-based Small Goods, and he told me it came from a Berkshire pig. And the pasta I choose today is rigatoni. Let's start with a couple of whole eggs. Time to add some freshly ground black peppercorn. Grab your cheese. I use half pecorino and half parmesan. And I add it to the eggs, then whisk it in a bit more. Add a dash more pepper. Okay, it's time to drop in the guanciale into the fry pan and add some peppercorns. Today's recipe I'm doing is enough for 2 people. Give the guanciale an occasional stir. You want it to brown, not to burn. It will wreck the flavour. Now add the salt to the boiling water. Then in goes your pasta. Once the pasta is about 3/4 cooked, scoop a little bit of water off the top, add it to the guanciale, and a little bit for the egg mix. Now it's time to take it all off the stove. Add the pasta to the guanciale and then bring in the eggs. And you can add a dash more cheese. I want plenty of cheese. You know what that sounds like. So that's it. There you have it. Piss easy, mate. You can't believe how easy that was. And quick. So, without further ado, I'm just going to have a little sample. Why not, he said. Look at that. Put a bit of pecorino on the top. Look at that. Beautiful. Now. So simple, yet that is so tasty. Now, was that hard? Your mother could cook this.
You don't have to say that.
No, she couldn't. That is absolutely sensational. Not hard, not hard. Listen, give it a go. Tell your friends about it. Give me a like. I can't believe how easy that was. And the flavours. Oh, mate. I love you all. Catch you on the next one.